Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, mate. I've locked myself out.
Hello?
Hello? I've locked myself out, mate.
Alright, okay.
And I think my missus is
Is it
doing...
UPVC type door?
Hey, what?
Is it UPVC type door?
Nah, it's an old one, mate. It's one of them wooden ones with them, like, barrier things on them. With metal around it.
Alright, well I'll give you a number, they'll have to ring, because I don't do wood doors.
You don't do wood ones?
Whereabouts are you?
Yeah, but it's got metal on it as well, mate.
Yeah, whereabouts are you?
Bradford, mate.
Whereabouts in Bedford?
Do you want me postcode, mate? I'll sort it.
Yeah, well just give me a different number.
Alright, mate. Give us another number then, mate. Sort
Give
it.
a different number, because I don't do that sort of door, I only do UPVC.
Yeah, but it's got bits of plastic on it as well, though, mate.
No, but if it's got metal door in front of it, you know what I agree, is that what you're saying?
No, no, no. It's not metal, mate. It's not metal. It's
So
like...
it's a UPVC door?
It's mainly plastic, but there's a bit of wood and metal on it as well. It's like... It's not metal. It's definitely not metal, mate.
Right, okay.
I reckon it could be plastic. It looks like it's plastic.
Right, okay.
I've only been here about a week, mate, so... It's got like a... It's like one of them wood effect ones, mate.
Alright, okay.
It's like
Whereabouts?
Hold on, mate. I'll just have a quick look on the... I'll give you my postcode, mate. That's better, isn't it? If you're on a sat-nav mission.
Okay.
BD14
BD14, yeah.
6RH, mate. It's nice, it's nice.
6RH.
Yeah,
So
6...
what's the proper address? What's the full address?
Hey, what?
What's the full address?
Clayton Street, mate.
Clayton Street.
Yeah, mate. Well, I've only been here a week now. I don't even really know, like...
Well, what's it sound in? Well, you've just given me the postcode.
Hey? What do you say, mate?
What's the full address?
Clayton Park Lane.
Yeah, what's the number?
Number 5.
Alright, okay.
Yeah, basically, mate, it's wood, but it looks like plastic.
Alright, I'll just do it.
Well, it could actually be plastic.
Okay, right. Well, for that, I'll have to pull the lock and the handle off, like a burglar to get past that lock, to get you in. So for that, and then I'll need to replace it. Well, I don't need to replace it, but you'll probably want me to replace it. It'll be £150.
150. That's a bit steep, isn't it, mate?
Well, it's up to you. I mean, I have to get past it all.
Well, there's a few cracks on. There's a few cracks on the door, mate, where I tried to kick myself in, mate. So I don't know. I might even need a door replacing, to be honest, mate.
Right, okay. Well, do you need to get in or not? Right.
Oh yeah, I need to get in, but I need the door replacing as well. I can't get in and then someone could break in.
Well, do you want me to get you in? I mean, it'll be £150 anyway, so if you want me to do it, I'll give you a number of someone else who will do it.
Well, that's 150 quid, and you're going to fit me a new door as well.
No, I'm going to put you a new lock and a new handle on, if that's what I've had to damage to get in.
Yeah, but I think my door's broke as well, mate, so I reckon if you fit me a new door as well, what sort of price we're looking?
Well, I don't do doors.
Yeah, but you don't do doors? I thought locksmith do doors. Don't you fit doors then? No.
No. Sorry. In fact, give me a different number.
Hold on. Yeah, but my door's got a cat flap on it, so I don't know if you can put your arm through. I'll try putting my arm through, mate. I think there's some keys in the other side. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, there's a cat flap at the bottom. I don't know if you can put your hand through and grab... I don't know if there's any keys in it or not.
Well, it's your door. Don't you know if there's any keys in it?
No, because my missus lives there as well.
Pardon?
My missus lives there as well, you know what I mean?
Why don't you just knock it down then?
Knock on the door. She's on nights, mate. She works nights. I don't want to wake her up.
Alright, okay.
She's a locksmith.
Pardon?
Hello? She's a locksmith.